boxing, fitness, and archery. Those programs and more that have long been aspects of the Irving Police Athletic League will soon take place in a new building. And here it is, the former National Guard Armory on North O'Connor.
We are excited.
This building is about 3 times larger than the former facility on Rock Island Road.
We were busting at the seams.
Along with the expansive interior at the new site, there is space out back for batting cages and archery.
Over there, the wrestling program is we will only do it during the summer. Here we'll have wrestling year-round. We'll have boxing year-round. We'll have fitness year-round. We're hoping to add either a taekwondo or judo year-round.
This is a whole lot better situation for the kids.
The building's history goes back to the late 1950s. You can see it in old newspaper clippings and in parts of the building. So this is kind of a neat piece of history right here.
Yeah. This is the logo from the 49th Armored Division that was housed here.
Beyond its primary military purpose over the years, early on, the Armory served as a community center.
So in this picture, this is David and Daryl Cole, and they're in the ring boxing.
In this building?
In this building.
Our family has always been entrenched in fighting. If you grew up in Irving, then a lot of things happened here at the old Armory. So they had more than just sporting events.
Soon, young athletes will again be boxing here.
We're actually going to have 2 boxing rings in here.
As renovation nears completion. There are also a lot of smaller rooms. What do you see happening here?
Yeah, well, this one is going to be our weight room.
This project had long been a dream, and it got a jump start a few years back when the state seized money in a telemarketing scam. That's when PAL made its case to a judge of how the money could make a positive impact.
To our surprise, the judge awarded us the entire $202,000 with the stipulation that we raise matching funds from the community in 6 months, which was pretty daunting, but we were able to do it in about 3.5, 4 months.
Further fundraising brought up the total, but there was still quite a gap to reach the architect's estimates.
And they estimated it at about $4 million. And we had $700,000 sitting in the bank.
PAL's next step to generate money was selling the old building on Rock Island. Even with that, they were short. But what they lack in funds, they exceed in resident support.
The shortage of funds is made up by the community that has done in-kind donations.
What's your message to all those donors, all those volunteers who have worked to make this happen?
Oh, we couldn't do it without them. From the bottom of my heart, I thank them.
So you're seeing the before pictures as we got into the Armory and how the bathrooms looked, how the other major rooms looked. The bathrooms were pretty much a disaster.
A lot of improvements throughout the building, including adding air conditioning that will help the Police Athletic League continue its mission.
It's trying to build a relationship between the police officers and the youth. That's the main goal.
When you have a team or a group that you belong to, and it leaves the trouble behind.
And they all hope the new location will attract more young people from across Irving. Thomas Gandy for City Source.